Hey guys, coming back at you here with Bart's package here. He said he sent a nice big box here, so we'll see what he has sent. I have just opened up the contents here. Get a little note. It says Happy Holidays, Bart. Appreciate it. If you enjoy grading, vintage, Jerry Rice, Bart is your man. Probably, well, definitely the best PSA collection I've ever seen. Now, I'm sure there's some other guys out there, but definitely the best I've seen on YouTube. That's for darn sure. So, always has cool things he picks up. And this is neat at the top. Look at this. It's a little figurine of Dan Marino. I like it. I like it a lot. Little Dan. Laces out. I like it. That'll look good on my shelf. Alright, that was a good start. Little Marino figurine action. Alright, let's see here. Ooh, very nice. Oh, on a Topps Black Gold. Now, I'm trying to remember, because I know in basketball, I think you had to, like, redeem these. I could be wrong on this, but Dan Marino Topps Black Gold, because I think I remember having a Pippen set you could redeem of this. So I'm not sure if it was the same for football, but very nice. I know I don't have that Marino. Very nice. That is 1993. Very cool. Jamar Taylor. He just got a new contract from the Browns, I think. Always had ability, but it seemed like he was always hurt. Contenders auto. Well, that's a neat looking Marino, too, that I don't have. 1999 SP Authentic NFL Headquarters. Look at that shine. I like that a lot. I said, I always like picking up any kind of Marino I don't have. That's nice. And, oh, a little vintage one here. 1987 Topps. So that looks in pretty good shape, too. Dan Marino, the All-Pro. Look at that stud. Awesome. And then from Pacific, I think it's 91. Yep, 91 Pacific. Mr. Dan Marino. And, oh, Pack Warriors from Edge, 1999. Loving all these Marinos, man. That's nice. Pinnacle Express, 1997. Peak Performers. I know for sure I don't have that one either. So I know for sure I don't have a few of these, for sure. Awesome. Then a nice, from Fire, Jarvis Landry, the glossy. He's a beast. Just love the way that guy plays. He brings it every week. Like it. Oh, nice. We got a little super duper action from 88 Topps. The Marx Brothers. Fun times. Oh, I know I don't have this one either. I know for a fact I don't have this one. 91 Fleer. What is this? I know it's a... I'm not sure what it's called, but it's 5 of 10, you know, the set card. So I know that's an insert of some sort. But very nice looking Dan Marino. I really like the look of that. That's a sharp looking card. I don't know what that... Does anybody know what that set's called? I don't see anything on the back here. It says Miami Heat, but I know that's not going to be what that's called. I don't know. That's a nice looking card, though. 91 Fleer. All you insert guys, what's that set called out of 91 Fleer? There's 10 cards in that set. Oh, nice. 91 Fleer Ultra All-Stars. I don't think I have this one either. This is explosive. Love it. This was neat, too. Man, you are hitting it up, Bart. 1999 Pacific Aurora Styrotex. I know I don't have that either. Sick. It's just a smorgasbord of Marino action. From 99 Aurora, I think this must be the base set. Yeah, I think this is the base set. Very nice. That's nice looking too out of Aurora. Aurora had some neat looking cards, huh? This is Championship Fever. Sadly, never got to feel the Championship Fever. And out of Aurora, again, this is the green version of the base. This is like a parallel of the base version. Very nice. Got a little rainbow action from Aurora going. It's a really nice looking card. So, all old like Pacific stuff always look nice. The Pinnacle Expressed Common Checklist. So this is actually a checklist card on the back, but we got the stud on the front. So that's neat. And then out of 15 Fire, this is the non-glossy of Marino. Fire actually has some neat looking base cards, really. That's a nice looking base card. Sweet. And 1999 Collector's Edge Fury Dan Marino. Dude, that's awesome. I only had like 2 or 3 of those. So that was like freaking amazing. And there's like more to go. This is like more than enough. That's like actually really neat. And like I said, I think I only had like 2 of those maybe. So awesome. That's more than enough. And then there's some more in here. Alright, let's see what we got. Send me some nice PSA stuff, because again, I don't have a lot of this stuff, so this is actually really neat. 1985 Doug Betters Near Mint 8.5. We've got Doug Betters. With all that black bordering, it's hard to get a good grade on that stuff, so 8.5 is pretty good with that card. Very nice. Oh, the coach. Love Don Shula. He just doesn't have anything. I think I have like the 2 autographs he actually has out there. 1991 Pro Set Platinum. Near Mint 8.5. Don Shula. Like that a lot. Winningest coach ever right there. Some people don't know that. Oh, this is neat. Some more Marino action. 1986 Top Stickers. I know I don't have that. Top Stickers, Near Mint 8. And to me, about any of these older cards, to me, it's all about the color. The color's good. I don't really care like if a corner's a little jacked up, but this is a good grade. Near Mint 8. And the color's perfect. Danny Marino. And, oh, what do we got here? Another 86 Top sticker. But this one also has Lawrence Taylor on it. Near Mint 8. Very nice. Got like that foil finish over it. Very nice. Like that. And, explosive! From Edge Fury Mint 9. The explosive insert of Dan Marino. That's pretty cool. That's some awesome stuff. I think there's still another one in there. Yeah, it's a big guy. Oh man, this is awesome, dude. Oh, I'm the ball coach. 1983 Dolphins Police. So this just must be something the Dolphins came out with then. And it looks like it has Burger King on it. So you got them from Burger King, I guess. That's cool. It's EX to Mint 6. But it's 83 Dolphins Police. It's like a jumbo card you got from Burger King. Look at that. There's the 83. Bam! I'm the ball coach right there. Dude, that was really, honestly, a really neat package, Bart. That was really awesome stuff. That's really cool. I really like that explosive insert. Alright. Bart, you are the freaking man, brother. That is some good stuff. I really enjoyed that. Guys, if you don't know him, have his link below. It's Bart81USAF, but I'll have the link below, and you go check him out. You won't regret it. Like I said, he gets some nice quality stuff in. So, Bart, thanks again. Like I said, that really was pretty freaking awesome. I had a lot of fun putting this stuff away. Just a Marino and Don Shula explosion, which you can never go wrong with that. Alright, that's all I got. Until next time, folks.